go. Alright, let's see what we got in here. What is this? You don't need this.
It's for fun.
You don't need Survivor camping's already fun. What is this?
That's to build strategy towards world conquest.
You don't need this. Survivor camping already allows you to build strategies towards world conquest. Air mattress? What? You don't need this. Toilet paper? You don't need that. iPod? You don't need that. What is this? Why do you need this?
We were gonna play
52 card pickup! Tennis racket? You don't need this. Cell phone? Hello? You don't need this. No, 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 no. Alright, this is what you do need. Water, Bible, towel, clothes. Good to go. iPod? You don't need that.